Hi friends, this is Nageshwar and welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to configure offline file sharing between server and Windows 7 client system in Windows Server 2016. Come to C drive. Here I have created a folder offline and copied few data into this folder. After this, right click on this folder, come to properties, please select sharing, come to advanced sharing, share this folder, permissions, remove everyone and add domain users. I'm selecting full control. Okay, it is showing the network path. After this, come to client system and try to browse the folder. I can access the share folder. Come to the share folder and right click on the folder and please select always available offline. By using offline files even in the absence of network or file server, we can connect this share. I will show you that. Here I'm disconnecting my network. Here you can see the cross mark on the network. Close this. Come to start. Open command prompt and try to ping the server. Here I got destination host unreachable. Close this. Now try to open the share. I am accessing the share even though the network is down. Here I will edit few files. And after this, come to server and open offline folder. I'm not finding those new files. Click on refresh. Again, come to the client system. Connect the network cable. Again, open command prompt. I got the reply from my server. Now close this. Again, come to the server. Now I got the new files that we have created in the client system. For configuring these offline files, come to the client system, open control panel and come to synchronization center, open offline files. Here it will show the all the offline files. To manage the offline files, please click on manage offline files and here you can disable offline files and we can select a disk space available for storing offline files on this computer and we can encrypt the offline files. When working offline on a slow connection, you can work online again by pressing the work online button in Windows Explorer. Okay. Like this, we can configure offline file sharing between server and Windows 7 client system in Windows Server 2016. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends and please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest updated videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.